Good morning. In this daily class, we are talking about the what are the welding process we have to use it for the different types of the stages. As we know that the welding is a main and manufacturing and a fundamental process. For example, if you are joining the any material, okay, we want to repair for the welding. But what are the main drawback for this? We have the inconsistency of quality and is the operating fatigue and the safety hazardous and the high energy consumption. So these are the factors we have to employ in the welding process. So we have to overcome this problem, okay? So that we have to apply the design thinking of human creating approach to the problem for the innovation and redesign the welding process. So now we have to going for the discussing the different types of welding and the applications. What are the purpose? Where we have to use the different types of process of the application. Yes.
As per the welding, we have 8 types, sir. Arc welding, resistance welding, gas welding, and then laser welding, ultrasonic welding, and solder welding. These are the 8 types of welding we use.
So I'm going to talk about arc welding, laser welding and ultrasonic welding. So arc welding uses electrical arc to melt and join metal. Common types of arc welding are SMAW, GMAW and GTAW, and versatile, widely used and relatively inexpensive, suitable for various metal and thickness. So next I'm going to talk about laser welding. So uses high energy laser beams to melt and join the metal, precise and high speed and minimal heat input, suitable for thin metals, exotic materials and complex geometries. Often used in aerospace, medical and electronical industries. Ultrasonic welding uses high frequency vibration to melt and join the plastics. No heat or filters material required. Suitable for dissimilar metals, thin foils and delicate parts. Often used in electronics, automotives and medical industries.
Some applications are used in welding zones.
For welding, we want to weld the materials. It means we must know about the knowledge. We must gain the knowledge about the materials, like what kind of materials we use in the for welding. Like MS, SS, and the most costly material that some of the industries that they are not welding that material since chromium material. The chromium steel was mostly used in hospitalized materials like stretchers and stainless materials, or used in like tables. So these are the most complicated to weld because of that gases are so poisonous, and the weld of the cost is so high. So in our local, so in the main industries in Tamil Nadu is Coimbatore place only. The most of the welding spaces are in Coimbatore only. So here some of the different types of weldings are there. One kind of is gas welding, and the cutting is also used in gas cutting. So by gas welding, the flame was thin sizes only, and they are using two kinds of gas welding. One is the tungsten and material gas welding. By tungsten gas welding, they are using a tungsten material to weld the two materials. For the tungsten materials is gains the high resistance of heat energy, and the metal gas welding is raw of aluminium rod and aluminium coil they are using to weld the to both materials. By melting the aluminium coil and they attach the two kind of materials. These are the type of weldings. By using the gas cutting, they are using the high pressure of gas to cut the materials. There are so many kind of metal cutting. There are water pressure cutting and steel belt cutting, gas cutting. There are so much of weldings and cuttings. The different and most ideological welding is friction welding. There are most of the friction welding industries. The famous industry was situated in California. So the industry was used in the two kind of materials were situated in upper and lower side, and the rotating in a circular motion, and the workpiece was centrally situated in the both of the upper and lower materials. By spinning the friction the material, both of the two separated materials involved to single material. These are the complicated, and some of the people are not ideology about that these kind of materials. So we want to go into the welding or cutting means we want to know or gaining the knowledge about the materials. These are the prompts and the propagations we want to know about the weldings and gas cuttings.
Some applications for friction welding, gas welding, and gas cuttings are for friction welding. Friction weldings are used in aerospace industries, automotive industries, oil and gas industries, and railway industries. For gas welding, construction industries, automotive industry, shipbuilding industries, and maintenance and and repair industries. For gasketing, steel fabrication, demolition industry, scrap metal cutting, and emergency services are used in friction.
Yes. So as we know that in this daily class, we know the basic stages we have to improve for the welding process. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.